Welcome students in my YouTube channel which is Biology by Mahesh sir. Today we will take the next part of chemistry of CBSE 10 science. In last class we have to study about the definitions of chemical reaction and then chemical equations, and also the two type of changes. One is the physical change, second is the chemical changes. Now, and also explain the ray diagram, different type of chemical reactions. Now first we take the first chemical reaction which is combination reaction. First reaction which is combination reaction. Combination reaction means the process by which the two elements, we can say two elements and two substances join and form the new type of substance, new type of compound. These type of reaction are called combination reactions, in which we can say take example of magnesium plus oxygen react and then produce magnesium oxide. So here the two elements magnesium and then oxygen react and produce the magnesium oxide, and also we can balance this equation. Here the two oxygen and then we can balance it. So two magnesium and then oxygen, one molecule react and produce a 2 MgO, that means the two molecule of magnesium oxide. So it is called combination reaction. So combination means the joining of two elements, two substances, and produce a new type of substance. Now the chemical property of magnesium is different from the magnesium oxide. Chemical property of oxygen is different from the oxide which present in a magnesium. So it is a combination reaction, or we can say it is a chemical reaction or chemical changes. Clear? So you can take these chemical changes. Now we take the another example of these type of changes. So second example, it is calcium oxide react with the water and produce a calcium hydroxide. So in these two substances react and then produce a third type of substance or product which is calcium hydroxide. Now in third example, nitrogen and hydrogen react and then produce ammonia. So it is also combination reaction. Next example, hydrogen and then chlorine react, it is produce hydrochloric acid or HCl. One thing is clear, that you have to write the chemical equation with the balanced form, or we can say, so you have to write the balanced chemical equation. First equation, in which two magnesium react with the one molecule of oxygen produce a two molecule of magnesium oxide. In second reaction, calcium oxide, water produce calcium hydroxide. So we can easily visualize that one molecule calcium, oxygen, two hydrogen, one oxygen. The total number of molecule of oxygen 1, 2. Here the total number of molecule of oxygen is 2. So it is balanced. Calcium, one molecule. Here the one molecule of calcium. Now we go hydrogen 2. Here the two molecule. So it is a balanced chemical equation. So you have to write the balanced chemical equation for the example of combination as well as any other chemical reactions. And we can take other example, hydrogen plus oxygen, it produce H2O. So first we write the equation, after that we can balance it. 2 hydrogen, then 2 oxygen, here the only the one oxygen. So first we write the 2 to balance the oxygen. Now hydrogen imbalance, so total 4, so we can write here 2. So it is a balanced chemical equation of H2 plus O2 produce H2O. Next is the carbon, then oxygen, it produce carbon dioxide. So again here the chemical equation in which the carbon and oxygen react and produce the carbon dioxide, it is a balanced chemical equation. So all are the combination chemical reactions in which the two molecule join, two elements join and produce a new type of substance. You can take the screenshot of this diagram. So second chemical equation, which is decomposition. First of all, definition of decomposition. The type of chemical reaction in which one molecule divide or split into the two or more than two molecules, that time the equation is called decomposition equation. So in this type of chemical reaction, the one compound or one substance is split into two or more than two substance, two elements. This type of reaction is called decomposition. Decomposition means breaking. We can take the types of three types of decomposition. First is the thermal, second is electrical, and third is photo. It is completely depend on activator of decomposition, means the which type of activator used to decompose the chemical. So first is the thermal decomposition, means the type of decomposition in which thermal, that means heat generally used to decompose the substance. So calcium carbonate is used the thermal or heat to divide into CaO plus CO2. So here the heat used to decompose it. Now in second, in which water divide into 2H2 plus O2 by electrolysis. And it provide electricity. Clear? So when we provide electricity or when we undergo in the electrolysis, the water is split into the 2H2 plus O2. So here it is called electrical decomposition reaction. Now third, photo decomposition reaction. The reaction in the presence of solar radiation or sunlight. So when we provide the solar radiation to the AgCl, it is split into the 2Ag plus Cl2. So silver chloride is split into the silver plus chlorine in the presence of solar radiation or sunlight. That time it is called photo decomposition. So decomposition is the type of chemical reaction in which the one compound is split into the two or more than two elements and substances. If thermal or heat provide, that time it is called thermal decomposition. If we provide electricity, that time it is called electrical decomposition. If we provide photo or sunlight, that time it is called photo decomposition. So here it is type of decomposition chemical reactions. So next type of chemical reaction, which is called displacement reaction. So definition of displacement reaction means the type of chemical reaction in which one functional group, here the functional group is chlorine, shift or move to the another element from their main element. The type of chemical reaction is called displacement reaction. So here the displacement means the shifting of functional group. Here the chlorine is a functional group which shift from hydrochloric acid to the zinc and produce zinc chloride and hydrogen free. So that time it is called displacement reaction. So displacement is the type of reaction in which the functional group release or remove from one compound and join to the another element. That time it is called displacement reaction. First example, zinc plus 2HCl. Here the chlorine is shift to the zinc and produces ZnCl plus H2. Second example, Cu plus AgNO3. Here the NO3 functional group shift to the Cu and produce CuNO3 whole twice plus 2Ag. In third, Fe plus CuSO4. Here SO4 is the functional group which shift to the Fe and produce FeSO4 plus Cu. So it is the three examples of displacement reaction in which only functional groups shift from one compound to another element. So here only the single displacement takes place. In next we will take the double displacement reaction. Clear? So thank you for watching my video. In next class we will provide I will provide the remaining part of chemical reactions and equation of this chapter with many questions and example. If you easily understand this chapter, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.